Hello friends, in this session we are going to cover last category of function, that is function with argument and with return type. So we'll continue the same example, that is finding the area of circle for this particular category. So let us see the C program. Let us declare the header file, then main function. Now we'll take the function area. So function declaration, but what is category? Function with argument and with return type. So there will be radius 1, so this will be input to the program and it will return the area. See, area is user defined function which will take one input, that is radius, getting, and this area function will return area of circle which is in float. This is function declaration. Copy this and this will be your function definition. Function declaration, this is function definition. Now as we are going to send radius to area function, so you should take radius inside main. Allow user to give a radius of circle, read that radius, call area function by passing this radius. Call area function by passing radius. So this radius will be copied in radius 1 and then to apply the formula, radius 1 into radius 1, okay, and return. So see, this is function declaration, this is function call, it is not yet completed, and this is function definition. So see what we have done. When program will be run executed, this message will be printed on output screen, that is enter radius. User will give radius and then we are calling area function by passing that radius, so that value will be pasted in this radius 1. Then area of circle will be calculated by using this formula, 3.14 into radius 1 into radius 1, and then area function will return the result back to main function. But inside main you should collect that result in some variable, so we have taken result 1 as that variable. This result will be returned back to main function and that will be collected in result 1 variable, so you should print that result. So let us compile this program. 8.5. So see what happened. This is what function declaration, this is function definition. So if you observe this program, so this is the category function with argument and with return type. So see, return type is float. So as if we specify return type as float, you should return only float value. So see, the type of result is float, getting, and see input is radius radius. Getting? So from this point you are giving input to area function. Getting? So whenever compiler see this particular statement, it will jump from this point to this point and it will bring radius value, and that will be pasted in radius 1. Then result will be calculated and it will be returned back to main function, and inside main that result will be collected in result1 variable, and then result will be printed on output screen with the help of this printf. So this is the C program for category of function, that is function with argument and with return time. So see guys, we have covered the all four categories of function. Getting? Remember that these category of functions are very important, and these are formed based on two things: whether function takes any input or not, and second thing, whether function returns any output or not. Getting? So there are four category of functions. Getting? So here we have seen area of circle. Your problem statement may be different, that means finding the what we can say area of rectangle, finding the swapping of two number. Getting? Swapping of two number. Okay, and very important thing, in C language we can't return more than one value at a time. Getting? So by using return statement we can't return more than one value at a time. Remember this, we can return only one value at a time. So if your problem statement is swapping of two number, say swapping of two number, then in that case output will be two number. Getting? Final output will be two number. Suppose original numbers are 10, 20, and output we want that is 10, 20 and 10. So in that case you want to print two number as output. So we can't use the function with return type. Getting? That category for swapping of two number, because we can't return more than one value at a time in C language with the help of return statement. So you should decide for your problem statement which categories appropriate for your problem statement. You should decide that. You should be able to decide before implementing your program. That means from this four category, which category is suitable for your problem statement. So remember this. Thank you.